Hi, and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a double deep fat fryer from Royal Catering. And as you can see, it's one of the larger ones, so it's perfect for any place that does a lot of frying, like catering companies, when you do a lot of fried finger foods, or restaurants, or a really busy fish and chip shop. So before I show you what it does to the fries, let me go through some of the technical details first. So first of all, stainless steel construction, very robust and solid, with a really nice shiny look to it. Then you have two separate heating elements that are individually powered and individually steered. So as you can see, it's basically like two fryers, two single ones put together. Why is that an advantage? Well, it saves space. It takes less space than two single fryers next to each other. And then, of course, it looks neat and tidy. Each chamber has a capacity of 16 litres with the total, operational capacity when it's to the max of 12 litres. And this is actually a very important information, because you should always check your oil level. When it goes above maximum, when you drop something in, it may go over the edges, and then you have splashing hot oil everywhere. If it's below the minimum level, it may damage the heating element. It will overheat, it will trip the safety, and then, you have to wait for the device to cool down in order to reset it, while the reset button is in the back of it. So that takes time. Down to controls. It's very simple. You have an on and off switch, you have the power indicator, heating indicator, and temperature regulation. So first you turn it on. As soon as you turn it on, this light that will light up. It means that the power is on and you have electricity. The heating indicator lights up as soon as you turn up the temperature, so it indicates the device is heating. When it switches itself off, it means the desired temperature has been reached. And the automated temperature control makes sure it will hold very steady on that particular preset temperature for as long as you need it. Alright, I already preheated the one chamber, which is also very important information. You should never turn it on when the device is empty, because again it may damage the heating element. I already done it because it takes a while. And after service, of course, it's time for cleaning. So let me show you how easy that is. Well, first of all, let me take this one out. Both these heating elements can be lifted upwards, and they lock themselves in this position. So it means, like, if there's something swimming in the oil and you want to fish it out, all you have to do is just scoop it out without the need of changing the oil. Also, it is a great way to let the heating element cool down while you you can refill the oil or empty it out. In order to empty the oil, you have these two drain tabs for both chambers, one each. So all you have to do is just put a vessel or container underneath it, make sure it's heat proof. You drain the oil when it's hot, or just wait for it to cool down a bit. It's a bit safer then. And afterwards, just rinse it out with some soapy water. Make sure you dry it out properly with a paper towel or a cloth, and you're ready to go. Of course, for a thorough clean, you can take this element completely out, but I just put it back in, just like that. And in this set, you get two baskets and two covers. And one remark about the cover here. I've seen it being used as a splash cover, but I personally think it's quite dangerous, because steam condensates on the bottom of the lid and it drips back down into the hot oil, which creates more splashes. So not really useful. I always use it after service. So when the device is already cooled down, I put this back on in order to protect the oil from any dust or dirt that may fall in over the night. So this oil will be safe for the next day's service. When you open it up, it will be ready to go. Talking about ready to go, let's see this device in action. I prepared some fries here, so let me just gently dip them in oil. Make sure the oil covers all the fries, so give it a bit of a shake. And with 3.2 kilowatts of power for each element, this device will get them ready within a minute or two. So that leaves me enough time to summarize all the important things. So you have the stainless steel construction, 2 individual heating elements with a power of 3.2 kilowatts. You have 2 chambers with 16 litre capacity each, with a operation capacity of 12 litres when it's up to the max. Then you have 2 draining taps, 2 baskets, 2 covers. So easy enough. Very efficient device. So if you're looking for a deep fed fryer, have a look at the website. There's a variety of these on offer with different capacities, different efficiency, different parameters, as well as prices. This one is definitely a good choice, but you may find the one that fits your business a bit better. This fryer comes with a 3-year warranty, and it will be posted to you in a really heavy, sturdy cardboard box, just like this one, with lots of packaging material that makes sure it's safe on its journey to your place. Also inside you will find an instruction manual with very important information on how to prepare the device for its first use, how to operate it, how to clean and maintain it. So definitely a good read. Alright, so let me check my fries. Yep, my fries are done. So there's these 2 bolts where you can hang the basket on. Just give it a second for the oil to drip down, and then it's time for seasoning. So that's what the machine does. It fries the hell out of the fries. So if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.